Hello, thank you to my web channel. My channel is about gardening, and I do some cooking to basically the vegetables I grow. Today I'm gonna share with you a tip on elephant garlic that I discovered by mistake or error. But it's about like the saying goes, you cannot have the cake and eat it too. But I discovered that with elephant garlic you can. You can have the seed and eat the garlic too. So I'm going to show you how right now. This one is the elephant garlic. If you don't know it, it's basically oversized garlic. It's in the family of the leek actually, so it's not a real garlic, but I use it in cooking, and basically it's pretty close, and sometimes even tastes better in some dishes. So here are all the cloves. These once you remove them, those can be used as seeds, and this is one single one. This one can be planted in the soil, and it'll become a bulb like this in about 6 to 8 months. So here's the seed. What I discovered is that actually the seed is inside, so the outside layer is really not that important for the seed, because it'll die. The seed will come out from the inside. So what I do is I cut it like this, and then cut it on this side, and then you can cut it here, that, and then you can actually go kind of deep because the seed is really deep inside. And then just try to open it like that. You can see the seed is in there intact, and then you still have the most of the garlic to cook over here, so that way you can have this part for cooking, and this the seed is intact, and you can plant it, and it'll grow to be an elephant garlic bulb like this. I'm going to use this for cooking, and then I'm going to share a video of how I use it. Thank you for watching, and I'll upload the other videos